Players, I'm going to go ahead and keep it a stack with you. I was worried that my boy Judge Marshawn was going to cave under pressure. But baby, tonight he has guaranteed that Frumpy Dump will be entering the presidency as a convicted felon. The first one. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Judge Marshawn said, we ain't throwing out them charges. So tonight, Judge Marshawn has came through in the clutch with a 41-page decision ruling that Frumpy Dump does not have presidential immunity protections in his hush money case in New York. As we all know, Frumpy Dump is a 34-time convicted felon. Up there in New York, honey, they convicted him on several charges related to paying some hush money to Stormy Daniels, a corn star. So as we all know, since Frumpy Dump was convicted on those counts, he's been trying to have that thing thrown out, honey. He even used the Supreme Court presidential immunity ruling to try to get this whole thing thrown out. But today, Judge Marshawn wrote in his 41-page decision that the Supreme Court's ruling that Frumpy Dump should receive broad immunity for official acts during his time in office did not mean the conviction should be dismissed, ruling that the evidence presented by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office was not related to Frumpy Dump's official conduct as president. As we all know, most of this took place before he was even president. Judge Marshawn wrote the evidence contested by Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team was entirely related to unofficial conduct and received no immunity protections. He went on to say, even if this court did find that the disputed evidence constitutes official acts under the auspice of the Frumpy Dump decision, which it does not, defendant's motion is still denied as introduction of the disputed evidence constitutes harmless error and no mode of proceeding error has taken place. Now, we all know that Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team is going to appeal this ruling. And Judge Marshawn still has to rule on Frumpy Dump's argument that his status as the president was a legal impediment to further criminal proceedings and the case should be dismissed as a result. Also, Frumpy Dump still hasn't been sentenced in this case. Prosecutors have already agreed that as the president-elect, he would not be sentenced while in office, but the district attorney's office has argued in legal filings that the felony conviction should still stand. So at the end of the day, Frumpy Dump is definitely going to enter the presidency as a convicted felon. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. It's your girl, Double D Mother, reporting once again for the Black Accurate News.